Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com and today we're in the home. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our top 5 vacuum cleaners. It goes without saying that vacuum cleaners are a godsend for keeping your area clean and dust-free. In today's modern world, there are a lot of models out there that make cleaning so much easier, from lightweight vacuums to pet vacuums, and even those robotic vacuums that do all the work for you. Yes, vacuum cleaners have come a long way. And with the number of options in the market, you might have some trouble figuring out which one to buy. Don't worry, today we're sweeping through the 5 top-rated vacuum cleaners that'll keep your home spotless. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the vacuum cleaners that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first best vacuum cleaner in our list is the Samsung Vacuum Cleaner. Manufactured to be a lightweight companion on your cleaning days, the Samsung JetStick Vacuum Cleaner carries a weight of only 6 pounds, so you won't have trouble getting to your home's most difficult corners. This model also has a jet Cyclone system, which keeps debris from clogging the filter. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Samsung Vacuum Cleaner a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: long battery life. You will get an uninterrupted 60 minutes of cleaning while also having the option of swapping the battery out with another one in case it runs empty. Robust suction power. The intense suction power of this unit produces up to 200 air watts, which makes sure that your hardwood, tiled, and carpeted floors always stay sanitized. Turbo action brush. With 3,700 rotations that work in tandem with its 180-degree swivel flexibility, this device is a reliable tool for removing pesky little dust, hair, and debris in a variety of surfaces. Portable features. Using its 2-in-1 charging station, you'll be able to mount the vacuum on the wall or inside your closet to maximize space. 5-layer filtration system. This enables the vacuum to capture the finest dust particles while trapping 99.99% of microdust. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the battery is quite bulky. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for individuals eyeing maximum suction power in a lightweight cordless vacuum. The second best vacuum cleaner in our list is the eufy by Anker Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Perfect for carpet and wooden floors as well as glass surfaces, eufy by Anker Robot Vacuum Cleaner has all the features for easy cleaning with an increased suction power of 1300 Pascal pressure units. Its large wheels can roll over messy carpets and climb over door ledges for more thorough vacuuming. In terms of size, the unit measures 12.8 by 12.8 by 2.85 inches and weighs 5.73 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the eufy by Anker Robot Vacuum Cleaner a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: no attention needed. The drop-fall technology of this vacuum cleaner recognizes edges to avoid falling, and it'll go back to the charging base by itself when the power is low. Triple filter system. Dual-layer filter is assisted by one high-performance filter for a cleaner home. Boost IQ technology. This device automatically boosts the suction power within 1.5 seconds if it detects dustier areas. Premium features. This item is protected by an anti-scratch tempered glass protector that keeps it safe from damage. Large dust box. A 0.6-liter dust box holds a good amount of dirt to reduce the need for you to empty it. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the vacuum cleaner is not selective in choosing areas that it should clean, so we recommend closing doors or putting high boundary strips on restricted areas. The Trusted Shopping Guide team finds this a high-end solution for effortless cleaning. The third best vacuum cleaner in our list is the BISSELL MultiClean Allergen Lift-Off Pet Vacuum. Offering an innovative lift-off technology, BISSELL MultiClean Allergen Lift-Off Pet Vacuum is a great friend to pet owners who see a lot of fur or hair over the floor, the desk, and even the couch. It has a cyclonic pet hair spooling system that separates and traps pet hair for effortless emptying. While upright, this device stands 14 by 11 by 32 inches with a weight of 15.5 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BISSELL MultiClean Allergen Lift-Off Pet Vacuum a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: HEPA sealed allergen system. This vacuum cleaner has a high-efficiency particulate air filter that traps 99.97% of dust and allergens. Tangle-free brush roll. This helps you avoid the hassle of trapped hair around the brush roll. Washable filter. The pre-motor filter can be removed easily and left under running water for effortless maintenance to ensure maximum performance. Specialized tools. Out of the box, you get a pet turbo eraser, a 2-in-1 crevice tool, and a dusting brush for an all-around clean. LED lights. This feature allows you to illuminate hard-to-spot dirt and pet hair. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the cord can sometimes get in the way due to its design. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for individuals who have a number of pets in the house. The fourth best vacuum cleaner in our list is the Shark Robot Vacuum. The Shark Robot Vacuum combines the convenience of a self-emptying base and IQ navigation total hole mapping for thorough cleaning. Equipped with Shark suction and a self-cleaning brush roll, you'll get efficient cleaning performance without the hassle. As for the size, the vacuum has dimensions of 38.9 by 26.3 by 49.6 inches while weighing 13.23 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Shark Robot Vacuum a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Bagless space. Your robot vacuum automatically empties into the bagless space after each cleaning session, which can hold up to a month's worth of dirt and debris. Dual spinning side brushes. These side brushes efficiently collect debris from the edges and corners of the room. Numerous sensors. Cliff and proximity sensors direct ledges, stairs, walls, and obstacles to prevent your robot from falling or any damage. Shark Clean app. You can choose which rooms to clean or schedule a whole house cleaning via the Shark Clean app. Voice control. Using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, you can tell your robot via voice control where or when to clean. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it doesn't have its own remote and screen to program the cleaning time and what to clean. The trusted Shopping Guide team finds this an intelligent all-around vacuum that's designed for pet-friendly households. The fifth best vacuum cleaner in the list is the Dyson Cyclone V10. The Dyson Cyclone V10 is a cordless, versatile unit that's scientifically proven to capture particles as small as allergens and bacteria. Measuring 9.84 by 10.08 by 49.17 inches, this vacuum can transform into a handheld frame for tidying stairs, sofas, and cars. You can easily vacuum your ceilings and floor with its portable weight of just 5.86 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Dyson Cyclone V10 a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Advanced filtration. This vacuum cleaner picks up 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns for an all-around thorough clean. Fade-free runtime. The non-motorized attachment can tidy your space continuously for up to 60 minutes. Deep cleaning. The 3 cleaning mode offers powerful suction and torque drive cleaner that removes dirt embedded on the ground. Portable features. The wall-mounted dock makes the vacuum cleaner easy to charge and store. Drop-in docking. The vacuum drops into the wall-mounted dock, allowing it to recharge while keeping it tidily stored away. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the dustbin gets full relatively quickly, so you'll need to empty it from time to time. The trusted Shopping Guide team finds this a brilliant compact choice, making it great for small-sized households with pets. And there you have it, folks. Our top 5 vacuum cleaners which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next vacuum cleaner roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our home great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.